The title of this video is me eating biscotti hoops. Biscotti. Spaghetti hoops. Me eating biscotti hoops in tomato sauce. And it's best before of last month, so the taste is probably not going to be as tasty as it was a month ago. It's a month off. Let's see. Don't think I've had this. I might have had this one, I'm not sure. You know what my face. Uh, I don't know, it's not tasty because it's a month out of best before, or this actually what's supposed to taste like. Feel free to comments below if you're someone that likes spaghetti hoops. Me, not so much. Taste buds are getting up. I honestly don't know what's worse, the biscotti or the tomato sauce. I really don't like eating tomato sauce. It's very healthy for you, but I think it's healthy for you. I think tomatoes are healthy. That's it of this video of me attempting to eat biscotti hoops that are best before BBE, which I don't know, does that mean it's best before expiring date and therefore you can eat it after date, or if it's okay to eat a month after it's BBE, which I don't know what that means. I think that means best before expiring date, so I don't know what that means. You can actually eat afterwards, because I know with some foods, if you eat after the expiring date, you will get food poisoning. So I'm not sure if me eating this is going to get me food poisoning or not. I looked it up because I know some foods you can eat a month or so after the date, there's no problem. But other foods that you will get food poisoning or get very sick if you were to eat it past the expiring date. So I have to do more research into foods, if it's safe to eat or not. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video of me attempting to eat biscotti hoops.